Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Claudette and I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. And as promised, I'm giving you a bit of overview, taking you around Jamaica. And today we start in St. Anne. So I'm going to give you some background on St. Anne, just a little bit, while we take a walk down Main Street. So let's go. St. Anne is the heartbeat of Jamaica's culture and nature. Often referred to as a garden parish, it offers a captivating blend of lush landscapes, historic significance, and cultural richness. Nestled along Jamaica's north coast, St. Anne is a treasure trove of natural beauty and vibrant attractions which brings in visitors from around the globe. St. Anne is more than just a vacation destination. Along with its pristine white sand beaches and many cultural landmarks, it offers an opportunity to explore its history and experience lots of adventure. It holds the title of being one of Jamaica's oldest settled regions. There is archaeological evidence that supports the fact that there was human habitation dating back thousands of years ago. The Tainos, Jamaica's indigenous people, thrived here long before Columbus arrived at Discovery Bay in 1494. Today, their legacy lives on in some cultural traditions of the parish. It can also be seen in many of the arts and artifacts that you can purchase in the stores on Main Street as well as in the craft market that is also located on Main Street. St. Anne also holds the distinction of being the birthplace of Marcus Garvey, one of Jamaica's national heroes, and a renowned Pan-African leader. His influence continues to resonate through the parish and beyond. A visit to St. Anne is incomplete without exploring its museums and historical landmarks that celebrate this rich heritage. Ocho Rios, aka Ochi, is one of the most popular towns in St. Anne. Its vibrant atmosphere, coupled with its proximity to some of Jamaica's most iconic attractions, makes it a must-visit location. Main Street, which is the street we're going down now, is the heartbeat of Ocho Rios. This bustling thoroughfare offers a mix of local culture, shopping, and entertainment. You can explore a variety of shops selling everything from handmade crafts to luxury goods. If you're hunting for souvenirs, Main Street is a perfect place to find authentic Jamaican items, including wood carvings, jewelry, and traditional Jamaican spices. Cafes and restaurants lining Main Street serve up an array of delectable dishes showcasing Jamaica's cultural diversity. Be sure to try local favorites like their jerk chicken, the jerk pork, ackee and saltfish, Jamaica's national dish, the coconut jelly, make sure it's cold, and sorrel juice. And don't forget to try the curry goat, the curry chicken, and the Jamaican beef patty. If you've come this far in the video, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, turn on that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. And let me know in the comments whether you've ever visited St. Anne, Discovery Bay, or even Jamaica. There are several attractions near Ocho Rios, many of which I will feature in upcoming videos, and some of these are Dunn's River Falls. Dunn's River Falls is one of the most famous attractions in Jamaica. It is a breathtaking cascade of water that flows into the Caribbean Sea. You can climb the terraced rocks, take a dip in the natural pools along the way, or simply admire the stunning view. My favorite thing to do when I'm climbing the fall is to find that protruding rock that allows you to actually go behind the cascading waters. Mystic Mountain offers an unforgettable experience for adventure seekers. The Rainforest Sky Explorer, one of their rides, is a chairlift ride that provides a panoramic view of the coastline, or Maybe you want to experience the thrilling bobsled ride that was inspired by Jamaica's bobsled Olympic team. Or if you want something more thrilling, you can also go ziplining through the mountains for an heart-stopping view of the mountainside. Whichever you choose, Mystic Mountain promises excitement and awe. Fern Gully offers a scenic drive through a natural rainforest tunnel. The winding road is shaded by towering ferns, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. It's a must-see for nature lovers and photography enthusiasts alike. 9 Mile is a small village in St. Anne that holds great significance as it is the birthplace and final resting place of reggae legend Bob Marley. The Bob Marley Mausoleum, which is managed by his family, is a pilgrimage for fans from across the world. There you can explore his childhood home, learn about his life and music, and feel the spirit of his enduring legacy. The Green Grotto Caves are located near Discovery Bay. They offer a fascinating journey into Jamaica's underground world. These limestone caves are rich in history, having served as hideouts for runaway slaves and smugglers. Guided tours reveal stunning stalactites, stalagmites, and crystal clear underground lakes. Seville Heritage Park is a cultural and historical site that tells the story of Jamaica's colonial past. The park is home to ruins of a Spanish settlement and hosts artifacts from the I never can say that word right, from the Taino people, and a museum showcasing the island's history. St. Anne is not just a destination, it's a journey into the heart of Jamaica's culture, history, and natural wonders. Whether you're exploring the vibrant streets of Ocho Rios, climbing the cascading waters of Dunn's River Falls, or immersing yourself in the rhythms of reggae at 9 Mile, St. Anne offers experiences that are both unique and unforgettable. If you're looking to escape the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary, St. Anne is a perfect choice. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. I am your Jamaican Gypsy Granny. Safe travels. See you next time.